Hello and welcome in AdviseMyStyle. Here's the funny thing. When I ask girls to pose in my makeup tutorials, I ask them to bring colorful t-shirts because colorful looks good on the plain background. And I usually end up with a model who brings 5 black t-shirts. And I'm like, what should I do with black? You need to wear colors. This is a makeup tutorial where I'll try to convince you why colors are good for you. Applying layer over layer of a water-based eyeshadow. This is actually a water paint, which on the long run doesn't come off because when it melts with your oils on water on the eyelid, everything looks natural. This is something that I discovered last year and I think it will be awesome for the summer. So get something water like this. I said to Kaya to say hi to my lovely fans. I explained to her how awesome you are. So she was very happy to meet you, you know, just write her down in the comments, say hi, because she opened her YouTube channel as well. This is how I contour towards the nose, classic procedure, nothing special, blended it up a bit, and then pink, because pink is a complementary color to turquoise. Therefore, her eyes, hazelish eyes, will pop, and she will look like bubblegum, you know. Bubblegum. Go check this makeup tutorial on our website where you have the illustrations. One mistake I did now. So I see this video is I went over the eyebrows slightly too strong. She has such lovely eyebrows. I should just leave the makeup like this. Whereas then she ended up with more Instagram-like brows. But you know, whatever floats your boats. This is cool as well. Just making her Cupid's bow even more lovely, more kissable. And my favorite mascara of them all. I actually discovered that I'm not the best judge for mascaras because what works for me as a makeup artist doesn't always work for women. So lots of women love this Fake Lash Superstar mascara by L'Oreal in the silver container, better than this purple one. Going over with a moisturizing lipstick because it's almost summer. This is what we did. This is how it looks. I just love it. Oh my god. I think, you know, I'll try to show you how to use more colors on your eyes. And it's also a very simple makeup. I mean, you do this in a couple of minutes actually. So, Kaya makes chokers as well. This is her choker. She's an artist, an awesome artist. Take care and I'll see you soon. Ciao.